So I wanted to make a YouTube video for a while now about giving people the information that they need when it comes to making their own profile pictures. Right? I've created a brand new one. Let me bring it up a bit quick. So I've created my brand new one. That one there, look. That's the one that I created for myself. And it used to be that one there, look. Take it in front of a green screen so I can then modify it to do whatever I need to do. So we're going to bring in a nice little, we're going to bring in a profile picture of one of these. Nothing too big. Take that one there, though. Why not? We're going to take that one there. We're going to crop it down. You want to make sure that you leave space, right? That's what you want to do. You want to leave space above you, right? Because you got to remember that when most of these profile pictures, they sort of crop you into a circle. So you need to make sure you got a nice circle there. And the way to do that is you just grab an ellipse tool and you just do that. Right, so if you got that there permanently, you can switch it on and off as you need to. So you know that when it's finished, you know it's going to fit into a circle. So what we're going to do from here is we're going to take out the green background. So I'm going to use the flood select tool. So again, you just press W twice. And you drag it across this, and you just sort of drag it. Just sort of drag it. And it sort of highlights the green for you. And then you can just go look to the selection brush and just clean it up a little bit. Clean it up. This is a much faster route. I should have done this in the first place. Make sure you sort of got everything like that. And then what you do from there is you go up to select and you go to invert pixel selection. And that inverts it. And then you go to refine. And there's your right, and that's the green screen on. So now you can just sort of edit it. So increase the border width a little bit. Just get a bit more of that green out, maybe a little bit more, a little bit less. Go across to the matte brush and just sort of go over just to get rid of some of that green stuff. And then do it this side as well. Like that. And then when it goes to output, you press mask, apply, and you're done. Right? That's the green screen. That's the green part of your picture gone. Right? And that means you can now experiment with different things. You can move it around, you can make it there. So once you've done this, you can then add a background to this. So I'm going to go onto the background, get the rectangle tool, I'm going to just draw it over like that. And you want to make sure that rectangle is underneath your profile picture, like that. And then we're going to make this a nice colour. I think we're going to make this a nice green colour, I think. Yeah, no, a nice yellowy. Or actually, maybe a nice light blue. Yeah, nice light blue. Now, what we want to do is you want to do... so you want to have this, you want to give some depth to this. You want to have two different colours. You want it to go from light to dark. And you can do that by pressing G on your keyboard. You can go up to where it says context field, type solid. You want to go into radial. And you want to take that to the top. And you want to move that just sort of down below you from the center of it, and then just put that up there. And the top one, you want to make that rather dark. You don't want to make that too dark, but just rather dark. And that's what you have. So that's the background done. And now there are a few other things that you can do just to put the finishing touches on it, just to make it look even better. What we're going to do is we're going to adjustments. We are going to go to HSL. Because as you can see, look, right, there's still got a little bit of the green in there. Just a little bit. So we're going to tap on the green, and we're going to take that all the way down. Like that. That's it. That's what we're going to do. And that takes the rest of the green out. Alright, just the rest of it. And now you want to make sure that just affects you. Alright, you don't want it to affect the rest of it, just you. So what you do is you take that. You can't see because it's 1 second. Underneath them, just take that over there. So what you want to do is you want to take that and you want to put it into the thumbnail part there. So that now only affects you. So you click on your profile picture, and there are a few other things that you can do. So you go down there to where it says adjustments, you hover over it, the little 2 half circles where it says adjustments, and you press, and you want to go on to brightness and contrast. Now it's all down to personal preference. I'm going to add a little bit of contrast to mine. I'm going to add a little bit, take the brightness down a little bit, and I'm going to put that down there. I'm going to add another one, which is shadows and highlights. I'm going to take the highlights up a little bit, just a little bit, and take the shadows down a little bit. Like that. Down quite a bit actually, all the way. And as you can see, it's now starting to look a lot more vibrant, a lot more in your face, but beautiful. What I want to do now is I want to add another one. I want to go down to where it says live filters. You click on that, and you want to add a high pass filter. That's where it is there, look. You want to add a high pass filter. You want to take that down. Take that down to overlay. You want to put it about 8, I reckon. About 8, maybe 5. 3? No, about 6. We're going to put it at 6. Now, obviously, you can absolutely just get rid of the high pass filter. It's completely up to you. It really is personal preference. I'm going to take that off for now because I'm going to put on a depth of field blur. All right. You want to put the radius up. As you can see, look, it just gives you a nice depth of field. I'm going to put a really sort of really faint one on there. Take the clarity up a little bit. Keep it off actually. And then what you can then do is you can add a few more things to it. But what I'm going to do first, that I learned, is to make a copy of that. Just press Ctrl V. And the bottom one, you want to turn that one off. And the top one, you want to right click. I'm going to rasterize and trim. So once you've rasterized it and trimmed it, it rasterizes it and then it trims it for you. So it gets rid of all the unnecessary stuff that you didn't need. Alright. Now you've done that, what you can then do is you can add a nice outer glow and a nice outer shadow. And you do that by pressing the FX button, the layer effects. You want to add a nice outer shadow. Just a nice little one. You know, about 70%, I think. About 70%. You then want to add a nice outer glow. You don't want a big one. Just I think a bit, just sort of, yeah. Take the intensity all the way down, like. Just a little bit, like that. Add a nice inner glow. Again, take that down. A nice inner glow. And then that is done. That's your profile picture gone from a standard green screen dull photo to that. I might actually use that as my new profile picture because I think I like that one better than the first one I did. I think I like that better than that one. I think I like that much better. So what do you reckon, guys? Do you reckon you like that one or that one? I do like the blue one much better, to be fair. I do like the blue one. The blue one just appeals to me much more than it would anything else. So I think I might have to change that because that looks amazing. So that, guys, is how you create your very own profile picture from nothing but a picture from a green screen that you took on your phone. This was taken on my iPhone 12. No special equipment to do this. I had a piece of green felt that I'm using as a green screen. It's something as simple as that. Guys, if you did like this video, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, then tick that bell, and I will see you all again soon. Ta-da.